Climate change, 5th of the 7th, 2016. How to reverse climate change throughout each country and on a global scale is in no means one solution solves everything. But you have got multiple solutions here at this climate change networking industry. Our network of specialists have in fact solved the issues in drought, also solved issues in subsoil fertility, such as unlocking minerals and nutrients, which become available and ready for the plants to be able to absorb, which normally would be unable in the plants to retrieve these nutrients and minerals. How long to reverse climate change? Reducing global warming through cooling the Earth's surface, and this is achieved through mulching and ground covers. Just two simple steps, but using perennial plants for sustainability. Reversing climate change can be done if everybody works together throughout each country in the world. And this can be done in just, we believe, in a few seasons. Climate change facts. What is climate change? Well, it is the CO2 which is rising and creating large CO2 emissions in the atmosphere. This can be reduced through growth of perennial plants and sustainable farming, locking CO2 up in plant matter and absorbing this within the subsoils, reducing atmospheric emissions. But once again, the best practice is by using perennials. This is the cheapest method for sustainability for climate change. Welcome to Hale Downs Networking.